if you're someone new to the industry and you're learning how to properly install vents.
This would not be, no, this is not your tutorial.
No.
Absolutely not.
Now this is the another repair.
I want to see what this
They
one
paid
is.
for.
Oh, jeez.
I don't have to say a whole lot about this.
Could have been like the plumber, or at some point later
Come
down
back
the line.
after the fact, yeah.
Yeah, that we see
We're
that
gonna
a
put
lot.
the pipe in afterwards, yeah. Oh my gosh.
That's when you hear, oh, like we fixed the leak a couple years back, but it came back like 2 years later.
Any type of precipitation is going right through there. So I don't even know what all they try to do here.
The other one was the plumber. This one's the electrician.